The Peugeot 2008 is a compact CUV that was first introduced by the French automaker Peugeot in 2013, known for its stylish design and versatility. The 2008 offers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience for both urban and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the Peugeot 2008 is its distinctive and modern exterior design. With its muscular and dynamic lines, it exudes a sense of robustness and strength. The front end is characterized by the brand's recognizable grille, which is flanked by sleek headlights that incorporate LED technology for improved visibility. The rear of the vehicle is equally impressive with taillights that wrap around the sides of the body, giving it a contemporary and sporty look. Inside the Peugeot 2008, a well-designed and refined cabin awaits. The driver and passengers are treated to a comfortable and ergonomically sound interior, with high-quality materials and finishes. The space is well utilized, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear occupants. The panoramic sunroof option further enhances the sense of openness and lets in plenty of natural light. In terms of technology and connectivity, the Peugeot 2008 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a user-friendly infotainment system complete with a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and voice command capabilities. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing the driver with all the necessary information in a sleek and customizable format. Advanced safety features such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are also available, helping to keep occupants safe and secure. Under the hood, the Peugeot 2008 offers a range of efficient and powerful engines to suit different preferences and needs. Petrol, diesel, and even electric versions are available, offering a variety of options for environmentally conscious drivers. The engines are paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts for a more engaging driving experience. In terms of practicality, the Peugeot 2008 offers a generous amount of cargo space for a vehicle of its size. The rear seats can be folded down to create a larger load space, making it ideal for transporting larger items or going on road trips. Additionally, the 2008 offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commuting or long drives.